Hey guys, in this video we will discuss regarding clarity and actions. See, for actions, clarity is very important. If you are clear in your mind that what you want to do, why you want to do, and why you love that process, a complete clarity, then a focus also comes and you enjoy that. Awareness and consciousness comes, energy comes, like a completely you fill with life, because when there is a clarity, Tesla also once said that, Nikola Tesla, he once said that it's more important to have clarity than the depth. You can be deep, but if you are not clear, then you might do some insane things. So clarity is very important. If you are clear exactly how you will be doing that, exactly how right now you're completely energetic and in this moment, feeling it and living it, and with clarity doing everything. And when there is clarity, then your actions will be with freedom. And it's not about that too much strict, you will be get more freedom and you will become fearless also, because when there is a clarity and you will enjoy that process. Because this is what, like, in our mind happens, that there are different types of thoughts due to which we identify with that, and that define our boundaries. But when there is a clarity, like in the sky, there is a complete clear sky. When you see a clear sky, there is no limitations. It's like, whether it's uh, like a part, it's undivided. There is no division in a clear sky. So in a clear sky, there is no division like that. If in the mind also there is clarity, then the actions will also become with freedom and fearlessness, and you will enjoy the process. And in the situations also will deal with things in a better way. Situations will keep changing, but there is a presence and a being which is there, which is the source, which is uh, from everything comes within it. So clarity is very important. When you're clear, then your actions also become more fearless, and you do with more in a better way. So have a complete clarity. And for clarity, what we can do, that is also some of the important things. But clarity, if you physically will become more active, plan out on pen and paper, and be a bit more energetic. Like, if physically become a bit more energetic, focus also, and also you have your why clear, and you enjoy that. It is something which gives you bit you enjoy the process of that. And a complete focus is there. You have, after that, you are doing effortlessly also. Don't have to put efforts, it is happening effortlessly. Then there is a clarity there. So it is very important to have clarity. And we will also come with such motivation inspirational videos, and hopefully this video is helpful for you. So if you have clarity, then your actions will be also become better, and can enjoy the process of life, and also achieve your goals. But obviously there will be some challenges also. So to overcome those challenges, just always don't lose hope, and keep doing in a better way, and trying. And because there is nothing to lose, just keep trying and living to the fullest. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching the video, and you can follow us on all the social media handles. Links will be available in description and comments, and share with your friends. And you can call me also, the contact details will be available, and many other things will also be available in comments and description. So check it out that, and follow us on all the social media handles, where also you will get all the details and be updated with us. This was all about the video. Thanks for watching the video.